Hello students, welcome to Gaffer e-learning. Today we are going to learn about pair of linear equation in two variables. हो जो chapter जावन आसा तो मॅथ्साचो third chapter जावन आसा for Goa board 10th standard students आणि ताका marks आसा 10. Let me tell you, this is very simple chapter students. जर तुम्ही हो chapter सारको शिकलो जाल्यार there is no way that you are going to lose any of the 10 marks. Okay, so before we start, let us take one puzzle. Okay, so what we'll do, I have one fruit basket and in this basket I have apple and oranges. Okay, and total apple orange asa माझ्याकडे 10. So in this basket I have apple and oranges and together दोन्ही मिळून कितले आसा 10 आसा. I don't know apple कितले आसा आणि oranges कितले आसा. So apple orange माझ्याकडे आसा I know total number asa 10, but how do I find कितले apple asa and कितले orange asa? Traditional approach, if I say माझ्याकडे apple 1 asa तर orange कितले असचे पडली, of course 9 असचे पडली. Apple जर 2 asa तर orange कितले असचे पडली, 8 असचे पडली, and so on. So with this one equation or this one phrase म्हाका कितली apple आणि कितली orange asa ते सांगपाक शकना हांव. So what I'm doing, I'm giving you one more data, and what this data says, number of apple is 2 more than oranges. म्हणल्यार ह्या बकेटान जे apple आसा ती ऑरेंजाच्याकून 2 चड आसा. So to give you example, if the orange माझ्याकडे आसा 5 in that bucket, तर apple कितली असची पडली, 2 more than this, 7, right? What is 7 plus 5? 12. Total कितले आसा 10. That means this is wrong. How do I find it? By hit and trial method. So I just take like हांगा 3 आसा जाल्यार हांगा कितले असचे पडली, 3 plus 2, 2 सदांच चड आसता 5. 5 plus 3 कितले जाली 8. Again I am wrong. So students, I am giving you time. Just do hit and trial method and give me the answer. Okay? Till then I will erase this. So did you get the answer? If you are saying your answer is like this, apple is 6 and orange is 4, congratulations, you got correct answer. Very good. So now if you see, my oranges are 4 and apple कितले असचे पडले, 4 plus 2 which is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. That means this is correct. Okay, so this approach, हे answer आम्हाला कशे मिळले using hit and trial method. Okay, what are we going to do now is, I'll just remove this. Okay, so as I said, this is by hit and trial method. Now what we are going to do, let's try a mathematical approach. Okay, so what I'm doing with this data, this apple and orange, I am writing in this form. So I know apple plus orange, it has to be 10. I also know that apple is 2 more than oranges. So by rearranging this, I get difference between apple and orange is 2. So this is what I have. Now what I'm doing, I'm denoting number of apple by x and I'm denoting number of oranges by y. So replacing this with x and y, I get as x plus y equal to 10. So this is my one equation, and x minus y equal to 2. This is my second equation. Now this is called as linear equation in two variables. If you see here, this is linear equation. Why linear? Because the power of x and y both is 1. So degree is 1. Highest power is 1. Also here, the degree is 1. And since I have two equations, okay, I have two equations and I have two variables, I say linear equation in two variables. So which are the two variables? X and y. So this is my linear equation in two variables. This is also my linear equation in two variables. All right. So I hope now the phrase or the name of our lesson is very much clear. What is the name of our lesson? pair. So since we got two equations over here, we say pair of linear equation. So this is my linear equation, and how many variables? Two, which are those x and y. So in this chapter you'll get problems like this. So there will be applications wherein we will have to replace those terms with x and y, and we'll have to write it in this form, algebraic form, and solve it. Now to solve it, there are two methods or two approach. The first one is graphical approach and the second one is algebraic approach. So using graphical, how do we get answer? We just plot the two equations, and if you see here, my x is 6 and y is 4. 6, 4. So 6 is apple and 4 is what? Oranges. Then I have algebraic approach. So in algebraic, I can solve either by using elimination method, substitution, or cross multiplication. So three methods are available. In the next video, we are going to see how it can be solved using algebraic as well as graphical method. So the next video, nothing to worry about, very simple it will be, and these methods also are very simple. So आम्ही किती करतले, सिंपल तरेन कशे सॉल्व करपा शकता आणि कशे आन्सर 4,6 काडपा शकता ते आम्ही पळयतले. Alright, so I hope the name of the lesson and the concept, the meaning, everything is clear now, and तुमका आता आयडिया मेळ्ळी आसतलीच की ह्या लेसनान कितें आमी शिकतले. चड कांयच शिकपाना. These four things will be same. One is graphical, elimination, substitution, cross multiplication. The 10 marks असा ते 100च असता. Problems come on either of these or two of these methods, and you have to solve. So students, let us try to find the answer using now algebraic method. So आम्ही hit and trial मेथडान कितले आन्सर काढलेले? एप्पल आमका 6 मेळिल्ली आणि ऑरेंज कितली मेळिल्ली? 4 मेळिल्ली. That is x equal to 6 and y equal to 4. Now in this method, using this method, we will also try to find the same answer. Okay. So this is my first equation, x plus y equal to 10. So in this method, what I am doing is I'll be writing one of this equation in terms of one variable. So किती करतलो हांव एक equation घेतलो, let's say equation 2, and I'll express one variable in terms of other. So जो x असा तोच हांव हे सायडीक दवरतलो आणि equal to y ते सायडीक दवरतलो, so that एक equation आणि एक variable I'm trying to do that. Okay, एक equation असा आणि दोन variable असा we cannot solve. एक equation आणि एक variable, then only we can solve. So what I'll do, I'll take equation number 2, and that is x equal to 2 plus y. So what I'm doing, I'm transposing y to the other side. Why? Because I'm expressing this equation in terms of one variable. So hanga ekut variable dawarta, and this equation is in terms of x now. Okay, so this value of x, which is equal to 2 plus y, I will substitute in equation 1. So substituting x equal to 2 plus y in equation 1. So I'll just substituting. So x च्या जाग्यार 2 plus y घालता. So if you can see here, in place of x I'm putting 2 plus y. So I get final value as 4. So if you can see here, x च्या जाग्यार हांवें 2 plus y घातली, 2 plus y वांगा तसोच घेतलो, equal to 10. So 2 plus 2y it becomes, so 2y, and 2 I'm transposing to the other side. So 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8. So 2 iron किती केलं हांगसलो 2 iron हांगा व्हेलो. Okay, so y is equal to 4. This is simple mathematics. Okay, now I got y answer as 4. So what I can do now? Yes, I can substitute this value of y in any of the equation. Now I'm taking in, let's say for example, I'm taking in equation 1. So in case of equation 1, what I'll do, in place of y, I'll put 4. So with this, I got value of x as 6. So dear student, if you can see here, maka y ची value कितली मेळ्ळी 4, y म्हळ्यार कितें oranges, and x म्हळ्यार कितें apple. So by using this method,
we are also getting the same answer. Okay, so x equal to 6 and y equal to 4. So this is my solution, and this method is called as substitution method. Okay, this is the first method of algebraic equation. Fine. So next we are going to see a graphical method. So I hope this substitution method is very much clear now. You will be having two equations. You have to take one of this equation and express in terms of one variable. So you'll get this value. This value you have to substitute in another equation. Okay, so we took first equation as x minus y equal to 2, and from there we got x equal to 2 plus y. So this 2 plus y, after substituting in this equation, we got value of y, which is 4. Now this value of 4 you can put in any of this equation and you can find value of x, since you will have only one variable in that case. Okay, so from this I got value of x and y. Now let us see graphical method. So graphical method solve करचे पहिले तुमका एक तुमच्याकडे ग्राफ पेपर असतो पडलो, and ग्राफ पेपर कशें आसता, जी वर्टिकल लाइन असता तेका आमी y एक्सिस प्लॉट करता आणि जी हॉरिझॉन्टल लाइन असता तेका x एक्सिस म्हणता. फाइन. ओके, so I'm plotting on graph paper. So this is my x axis and that is my y axis. So I'll just plot. So you can see here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm plotting a series of even कित्याक म्हाका स्पेस कमी पडपाक शकता. I can also start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but make sure की जे difference असता ते same असपाक जाय. If I take 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, similarly here side same करपाक जाय. Okay, so now I am following 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, fine. So here is my question. Now let us solve by graphical method. So x plus y equal to 10. This is my first equation. So now same करता कितें करता, I am writing this equation in terms of y. In terms of y कित्याक, because I will be taking the values of y. So आता हांव कितें करतलो, I'll make one table and I'm writing x, y, x comma y. Okay, fine. So if you see here, x plus y equal to 10 and y हांगा दवरला equal to 10 minus x. And अशें कित्याक केला, because जेन्ना हांव एक्साची व्हॅल्यू अज्यूम करतलो तेन्ना म्हाका हांगा वायाची व्हॅल्यू डायरेक्ट मेळटली. You could have started with x equal to 10 minus y also, no issues, choice is yours. Okay, so जेन्ना एक्साची व्हॅल्यू 0 in place of x 0 घालतलो तेन्ना म्हाका वायाची व्हॅल्यू कितली मेळटली, y equal to 10 minus 0. That means y equal to कितले मेळटले, 10 मेळटले. So let us see that. So y ची value 10 मेळ्ळी. When I put in place, so my xy coordinate is 0, 10. Fine. Now I'll put in place of x value 2. Again your choice. हांगा तुम्ही जाय जाल्यार इवन एकूय घालपाक शकता. एक घातल्यार कितले मेळटली, 9 मेळटली. When you put 2, you'll get 8. So 2, 8. So I'm putting the third point as x equal to 3. So हांगा 4 is जाल्यार 4 घेवपाक मेळटा. So again I said, so 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7. So for one equation I got these points. Now these points I'll be plotting. Okay, so if you have a problem in plotting these points, for example the first point was what, 0, 10. So x is 0 and y is 10. So this is my 0 and y is 10. That's why my point is over here. Second point is 2, 8. So where is my x? So सदांच याद दवरा, जो फर्स्ट असता हांगा तेका x म्हणटा आणि जो सेकंड असता तेका y म्हणटा. ओके, so x is here 2 and y is 8. Similarly third point is what, 3. Now this is my 2 and this is my 4. So in between point will be what, 3. Okay, because this is 0, this is 2. Okay, zalo 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 7. So this is my 3 point. Always make sure that you use 3 points. कित्याक 3 points, की ही लाइन आसा ती स्ट्रेट येवपाक जाय. जर तुम्ही दोनूच पॉइंट घेता जाल्यार ती स्ट्रेट येतलीच. थर्ड पॉइंट will act as a check, and जर थर्ड पॉइंट आसा तेन्ना ती लाइन पास जाता, then your equation is correct. So now I will be drawing a straight line passing through these 3 points, and this is my first equation, which was x plus y equal to 10. So I can write it over here. So as I said, you have to take 3 points, okay, without fail. The third point will act as a check. If the line is passing through all 3 points, जाल्यार तुमचे आन्सर राइट. जर 2 पॉइंट हांगा आसा आणि थर्ड पॉइंट आनी खंय आसा जाल्यार देर इज सम प्रॉब्लेम. नाव वील go ahead with the second equation. Note the second equation, x minus y equal to 2. So hanga mi kide kele in terms of y bareile. So here we will write in terms of x. So x equal to 2 plus y. Same table you have to make. 3 rows, one for x, one for y, and another for x comma y. So आता आमी हांगा कितें करतले? If you see here, we have to assume value of y. So it's always better to start with 0. कित्याक डायरेक्ट आन्सर मेळ्ळे. फायन. जर हांव yची व्हॅल्यू 0 घालताले, xची व्हॅल्यू कितें मेळ्ळी? 2. xची व्हॅल्यू 2. So my coordinates are 2, 0. x is 2, y is 0. Now I'm assuming y equal to 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So my points are 3, 1. Then third point is 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So my point is 5, 3. Again I got 3 points. So same. You have to go on graph paper and you have to plot. So 2, 0. So x is how much? 2. And y is what? 0. So you have to plot this point. 2, 0 is this. Fine. Then I have 3, 1 and 5, 3. If you see here 3, 1. So 3 is here, 1 is here. So 3, 1. 5, 3. So 4, 5. 5. This is my 3. 5, 3. Again, draw a straight line passing through this point. Okay student, just a question. If I ask you, where is my minus 8, 6 point? Minus 8, 6. So if you see, you have to go on x-axis. So minus 8 is here. And where is 6? No, this is minus 6. So you are going in the wrong direction. So this is my 6. So your point would have been here. Okay. Just one more point so that I am pretty much confident that you know how to plot. 7, minus 3. Okay, 7. So 7 should be on x-axis. This is negative side. No, it cannot be on this side. Okay, 6 and 8. So between 6 and 8 there is 7. So 7, what I said? Minus 6. Oh yeah, take minus 6. Okay, 7, minus 6. So minus 6 I have to go down. So 7, minus 6. So this point it will be. Okay, fine. So I hope this axis plotting and all will be clear. Now I got 2 axes and they are meeting at one point, isn't it? Just take okay. So this is my second equation, x minus y equal to 2, and this meeting at this point, and this point if you see, this is 6 and this is 4. So x equal to 6 and y equal to 4. That means we got value of apple as 6 and oranges as 4, and this was the answer we are looking at. Correct? This is the answer which we are looking at. So by substitution method we got same answer 6, 4. By graphical method we got same answer 6, 4, and by hit and trial method also we got same answer. So I hope this method is pretty much clear now. This method, if it comes for exam, let me tell you friends, this comes for 4 marks, and straight away you can get these 4 marks. Even elimination, substitution, they also get same, they also come for same marks. So I have only one question for this. Now if you see, we have only one solution. They are meeting at only one point. That means I can say it has got unique solution. There is no other way that apple will have some other value and orange will have some other value and they will fulfill the condition. No, this is the only one solution possible. So this is called as unique solution. So is there any way, or is there any approach where we can have more than one solution? Is it? So that question we are going to answer in our next video. So next video we'll see, is it possible to have more than one solution. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you have really understood these two methods, and this is very simple methods. Some people say maths is difficult, but not to worry, we are here to make it very simple. Thank you so much. Do like and please share with your friends. Thank you.